Friends, Running Kimono here. So, we have a nice basket of stuff. There are some really great deals this week over at Walgreens, but it's a little bit slower, and I use that slow word with a little bit of license. If you want to, enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, or if you have something planned, you don't necessarily have to run out to the store. These deals are good, but they're there all week. Just throwing that out there right off the bat. Report, because I know a lot of you love to look in the backyard. It's about 80 degrees today, and I think tomorrow it's supposed to hit like 90. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is a correction. I made a video last week. I suspected the BOGO 50% off or the IVC coupon was gone. It wasn't in the flyer. It wasn't in a sneak peek coupon, but I was in fact wrong. So I just want to own this, guys. This month, it is still BOGO 50% off on these paper products. Even though the store wasn't tagged, they were still tagging it. But online, I looked it up and I got the cashier to scan to for me. And they are, in fact, ringing up BOGO 50% off. So I do apologize about that. Hopefully you guys didn't get an entire wall of it at the store. But here it is. The great thing about the BOGO 50% off and not an IVC, if we're going to throw this into a bunch of curbside deals, it's still going to be, we'll be able to do it. There's going to be no limit to it. That's the only bright side of this. Looking at the pattern of the ad was very confusing to read because we couldn't look into the information in the fine print of every little deal. And this wasn't even posted. So if they were going to have paper products for $3.75, you would think, oh, let's advertise that. But it wasn't. So it was kind of strange. And, honestly, there was 5 products that were a lot more in cost, and I really thought this was going to be the month they were going to get rid of this. So I do apologize about the confusion, but owning a mistake, it is still BOGO 50% off, so it's kind of a good mistake that I made. So it is business as usual for these wonderful paper products that include the Scott toilet paper and the paper towel. If you cannot find this in the regular paper aisle, towards the front of the store, a lot of stores stage this as a convenience purchase, so it's right at the front. Boom, there it is on an end cap. You just grab what you need. Look around the front of the store too. Don't just look in the paper section. And I do apologize about the confusion, guys. Hey, this is a freebie, and this is a deal that everybody should be doing this week. It is to grab one Colgate toothbrush for $3.99 and one toothpaste for $3.99. We have $2 coupons for each. Roll some Walgreens cash and get $4 back, making it free. Free toothbrush time? Yes. And just to show you the tag, here it is, $3.99. Sorry, the toothbrush isn't photoed, or it's not in the picture, but it is the single. It's not the double. The single for $3.99. And then we're going to grab one of these toothpastes also for $3.99. Now this morning we have wonderful $2 coupons for both. So you're going to load this guy, the $2 for the paste. And yes, it's attaching to the $3.99 product, and the $2 for the toothbrush. So that's really nice, one of each. Why not? So just following this, guys, grabbing one paste and one brush by Colgate, priced at $3.99. So $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. Subtracting the $2 for the brush and the $2 for the paste, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making this free. Now, if you want to roll your Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it for this scenario, because it is a buy scenario, yes, you can do that as long as you're not using a booster with this purchase. The next wonderful deal that we have, guys, is with the Tide Simply. So the Tide Simply, the Downy, and I believe these Tide Simply pods are part of the promotion for $9. So of course, being very basic and simple, I grabbed 4 of these. These are really good for muddy gardening clothes. My husband does a lot of lawn work and stuff, so this really removes it from the jeans and those sort of clothing. So I grabbed 4 of them. I also threw in one of these. If you remember last week, these kept printing for all the deals of the week. Store coupon kind of confusing to use, so for a deal that I'm just going to buy something, I love to use these, and you can only use them 1 per transaction as well. It's confusing. So I grabbed 4 of the Tide Simplies, those jugs of detergent, for $9 on the nose. And if you wanted to mix and match, you can do that. You can grab a pod, you can grab the Downy fabric softener as well. Make sure it's tagged 4 for $9. Presented one $4 store register reward, and I also used $5 in Walgreens cash, and your girl just paid the tax. So this is a really smart deal. If you're a newer couponer and you want to stock up on the Downy or the Tide Simply, this is a really good stock up price, especially if you have a store register reward and Walgreens cash. I think it's just super uber smart. All right, now we're back to the soft soap. These guys are $2.49 each. I remember the day when it used to be $1.99. Everything's jumped in price. So the deal this week with these, they're BOGO 50% off, and when you buy 4 of them, you get a $4 register reward. So if you wanted to stock up on some cheapy hand soap, this might be the deal per VU. This is one item they actually did have tagged. A lot of the stuff, because I went so early this morning, wasn't tagged. So $2.49 is the cheapest one. If you guys really want to study the tag, here's your photo to do that. But BOGO 50% off. Buy 4 of these products, get back a $4 register reward. Okay, so now we only have a 50-cent digital coupon. It's usually 75, but I don't know. And just check if you might have some just for you coupons. I sadly didn't, but load this 50-center at the very least. Here's a deal for you. Grabbing 4 of these very cheapy soft soaps for $7.47 on a BOGO 50% off promotion. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, you're paying $6.97, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $2.97 for the 4, or 74 cents each per hand soap. Now, if you're not doing this deal with a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, and that register reward will still print per VU. Now, I did do one deal with this specific booster, which is 5 back when you spend 20. It's always your mileage may vary if your account gets them or not. One account had spend 65, get back 15, and then I had this nice one on a different account. So I know that these Head & Shoulders in the app are buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So in store, it's buy 3, get back $5 register reward. So you have to do this in store. And these are $8 on a BOGO 50% off. Now in the flyer, it didn't say that, but in the app and then at the register, it was a different story. So we have this $2 off of 3 digital coupon, and I looked through the June P&G if there might be a better coupon or something like that, and I could not find one. So I don't know if it's not in front of my face or what, but 2 off of 3, they've gone $1 down on that. And then IBOTTA has $2.50 back for each. And as we're buying 3, we're getting back $7.50. And it has a little time ticker of 1 day left. So do this deal ASAP. So if you wanted to do the deal exactly like myself, you'd have to get in there quick. So grabbing 3 of these Head & Shoulders for $20 on the nose, BOGO 50% off for 1. You have your booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20. A 2 off of 3 digital. You're going to pay $18 with your debit card as you're using a booster. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, a $5 register reward, and $7.50 back from IBOTTA. Take a breath. 50 cents for the 3, or 16 cents per Head & Shoulders. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using a booster with this deal. And I'll let you guys know, for whatever reason, this flavor of Head & Shoulders, the register reward did not print for me, so the very nice manager gave me $5 in Walgreens cash in lieu. Okay, guys, and yes, at Walgreens, I did buy the Sunday newspaper, and that also increased in price to $2 each, which I didn't really like, but hey, that's life. You can use your Walgreens cash to buy papers, just to note that, and I was able to get a couple. Why I wanted the June P&G is there's going to be a clearance event in 2 weeks over at the Dollar General, and lots of the P&G products are on clearance. So I'm not... it doesn't have the Tide and those sort of coupons, but, there's other razor and that sort of stuff, shampoo, which is always on clearance. So maybe I could make something happen with these. So I bought a couple. Since I feel so bad about that Scott mistake, let's have a giveaway. So it is free to enter and very easy to do. You have to be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, in the comments, write Columbus, Ohio shopper. That is your entry. 1 entry per person, and the winner, only one, will get a Walgreens gift card for $10. And I will pick the winner and pin them to the top of this video on Wednesday, June the 1st. Good luck, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.